And we got into this cycle because I had like 3 or 4 days where it was really hot in the afternoon, like 90 plus, full sun, no clouds or anything. We had a blind set up uh, in the plot, so it would offer them some shade.
Mm-hmm.
What they would do essentially, when you get around to about noon or one, where it's really getting miserable hot, and it's going to be that
Mm-hmm.
way for a few hours. What they would do is go out and forage, or anytime a cloud came by and blocked the sun, they'd go out and
Yeah.
forage, and that'd be
Yeah.
about 10 to 15 minutes. And then they'd start getting hot and stressed. You'll start seeing them do that, put their wings out to
Yeah.
dissipate heat and panting.
Yeah.
And then they would go back to the shade and they would basically sit around in the shade and dust and
Just
preen,
loaf.
yeah, just loafing. And then they'd go in about, and they'd also sleep some. Uh, and they'd kind of go in these like 10 to 15 minute cycles where they'd
Right.
go back and forth between the two during that hot period. But you can see it. I mean, like I was saying earlier, we're measuring their weight, like their growth trajectory, literally
Mm-hmm.
4 times a day.
Right.
So like we could see how much weight did they gain in the morning versus in the afternoon, and when that heat happened, their growth rate essentially went to nothing.
So what you're telling me is that by having good poult rearing cover, not only is there more forage for poults, but there's also a longer duration that they can forage within it.
Yeah.
It's an additive effect.